Hi and welcome to the Moffat channel. I'm Carolyn and in this video we take a look at the features of the Washtech UL Undercounter glass washer. This model is positioned within the premium series range that is perfect for bars and cafes and other locations where high performance is required. The UL and the ULB features have a 1, 2 and 3 minute wash cycle. Water consumption of only 2.4 litres per cycle. A 500mm rack will fit perfectly as well. It's RO compatible for a polish-free solution. Eco power that reduces temperature and energy consumption when not in use. The ULB is a simple plug-and-play model that comes straight from the box, ready to connect with everything you need. Manufactured locally in New Zealand and built for Australian conditions, this market-leading brand is watermark certified and has a 521 warranty that is supported by Moffat's National Service Network. To find out more information, simply contact us now or visit our website at moffat.com.au, and bye for now.